The threat of severe weather is diminishing as we speak. A first round of 2 storms went through earlier today without incident. Second round is coming up from the south. We'll keep an eye on these, but right now these are not severe. They're just some ordinary thunderstorms. And as we're getting into the latter part of the day, we're starting to lose some of the potential for energy to drive those storms. Back to the south and west is where all of the active weather is, from western Kentucky down through Mississippi, where a number of tornado watches are in effect. Now later on this evening, after a cold front goes through, we will see strong winds pick up out of the west. And the main weather news next couple of days will be very windy conditions. We have dropped from a slight risk to a marginal risk. That happened earlier today. 1 out of 5 chance for severe weather. You can see where the emphasis will be this evening over western Kentucky and portions of Tennessee down through Mississippi. It was a warm and humid day as predicted. Mid and upper 60s across the area. Dew points climbed into the 60s as well. A very muggy spring-like day across the area. After the front goes through, it'll be mainly very windy next 2 to 3 days. Wind gusts to 45+ miles per hour. We'll hit 50 degrees then during the afternoon tomorrow. 49 on Friday, and a very chilly Saturday coming up with 41. But on Easter Sunday, we'll be back to 49 degrees. We'll track those storms as they move through this evening on our hour-by-hour forecast, and a long-range look at another warm-up. That's a little bit later on. Very spring-like day here in West Michigan. First of 2 rounds of showers and thunderstorms went through without any incidents. Got a second round coming through this evening. Most likely that will be the same. 13 weather ball is blinking bright for more of those showers and thunderstorms in sight. There is a very small possibility one of those could be on the stronger side. It's also blue. 13 weather ball that is, and that means cooler and very windy weather in view. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Made the mid and upper 60s, again tying our warmest of the season so far here in Grand Rapids. 70 over in Muskegon. We predicted 70, but the morning showers and clouds have kept it down. But nonetheless, within 3 degrees of our forecast high today and for the past 10 days in a row. Had 3/4 of an inch of rain out at the airport, 1/2 an inch over in Holland as those storms moved up through Montcalm County with some rumbles of thunder. Now, as a cold front goes through later tonight, the winds are going to pick up from 10 o'clock tomorrow morning through 8 o'clock on Thursday. We will see a wind advisory in effect, and that means winds will be 30+ miles per hour. That's when a wind advisory is issued. Might be upgraded to wind warning. That'll be later on tonight or tomorrow because the winds are going to gust to 45. There's the first round of storms as it exited off to the northeast with some rumbles of thunder. Now the next round is starting to come on in down here in Cass County. There are some showers and storms starting to come up. It'll affect Kalamazoo and Battle Creek here in the next half hour or so, and then that will all translate to the north. This cold front will then go through after about 2-3 o'clock in the morning, and it's going to get really windy behind that. There are those storms showing up on our model right now. This is 7 o'clock tonight. This is 8 o'clock, so right around 8 o'clock here in Grand Rapids. This will be a very heavy downpour, lightning kind of storm. By 9 o'clock, it moves to the north of Grand Rapids, and then we see the final line of showers coming after midnight as that cold front moves on through. And when you wake up tomorrow morning, there'll be a lot of sunshine, but it will be very windy throughout the day. And then a few clouds will start to come on in during the day on Friday. There might be a sprinkle of rain from Kalamazoo and Battle Creek southward, but not here in Grand Rapids. Saturday, a very chilly day with mostly cloudy skies, and then better weather on Sunday. Morning sunshine and a few high clouds coming in at the end of the day, but at least it'll be dry. It's going to be windy. Watch the winds pick up here overnight. 30+ miles per hour, gusting to 45+ miles per hour during the day on Thursday, and then gusting to about 40+ miles per hour during the day on Friday. So wind alert here tomorrow, mid and upper 40s across the lakeshore. A few clouds up to the north, but otherwise sunny skies. Mostly sunny up north, windy. Highs will be in the mid and upper 40s. Look at those winds out of the southwest, 25 to 35, gusting to 45. Similarly here in the greater Grand Rapids area, around 50 in Grand Rapids and Ionia, mid 50s down along I-94. 13 on your side forecast. Still breezy and cold Saturday, but 49 and mostly sunny to partly cloudy Sunday. Rain very late Sunday night through Monday, and then ending Tuesday morning. More rain Wednesday night as warmer air arrives. And then look at that warm air, 50s, 60s, and possibly 70 to start next weekend.